Yeah, hi, evening Shaun, it's Mark, FMAV. You sent me your Beosound 3000, 3200 mech down. Just to let you know that I've done that anyway. It's all working. Basically, I replaced the laser and it's all good, working as it should be. You can see it working away there. That's actually your part. There's the date and your mech there. I've given it a good test today. That's why I haven't sent it out today or contacted you until now. It's, I don't know, it's what, 10 o'clock at night, 10:30 at night, and I'm still working, and I've got another 2 to do before tonight. So while you're snoring in bed, I'm going to be working. Anyway, there you go, mate. As soon as I get some payment, I'll get this out for you, mate. It'll be going out tracked and signed for soon as. I'll email you tonight anyway. So thanks very much anyway, and drop me an email when you get it. You're all happy. You got a 6-month warranty on parts and labour. All we ever ask is you send the unit back, pay for the postage costs, and we'll do the rest. Not that you need it, okay? But any problems, just give us a call. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Well, what I do is I just turn the volume up and whack it up a few tracks for you. So track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's track 10. You see track 10 there. So if I go down, right, so I'll go back down to track 2. Alright, cheers buddy, have a good Christmas and speak to you soon.